Peter Swan. I'm the Business Development Manager for Page Macrae Engineering. My role is to grow relationships with key clients. Not so much the day-to-day bits and pieces in the jobbing, but certainly those bigger entities to try and smooth out the workflows and create partnerships really. It's a diverse business, family owned, and been going 60 odd years, but a range of business units, which means we can actually be experts in each of those fields rather than dilute our skills. The key markets, certainly in the energy and the petrochem, but our dedicated stainless shop, we're doing eco-lab, dairy industry, food, all those other things, as well as maintenance across the pulp and paper industries. And a lot of that is local clients as well as the bigger projects. What we've had to do is look at our future and our future markets. It's great doing business for today, but where are we going to be in 5-10 years time and the way the world's moving? We don't have to innovate to keep up with people, but the fact is that the people who do innovate will work harder, faster, smarter, and their products or their processes will become better and their bottom lines will improve. So therefore they will become very competitive. So you have to gauge it on your future of your business and where you're going, and you can continue business as you're doing, but realistically you've got to be comfortable in your plan that that's going to be sustainable for the future. I think the first cab off the rank would actually be how to engage others as far as innovation goes. If there's only one innovation champion within a business, it becomes almost a personal crusade, not by right, but by the sheer fact that everybody else is busy doing what they're doing. So you have to build a compelling case and do the legwork, I suppose, yourself. But the education of what's out there, what's available, but more so how it's applicable or how it could be applicable to your business. And I think that's the big one. Everybody racing around at the moment saying we should get this and we should get that. But the thing is, what problem are we trying to solve? Where can we add value? And then we can decide on what tools there are to do that. Someone's got to have the tools and then teach others and be the leader of that side of things to bring others with you. And then we can get some things done. There needs to be someone, otherwise it becomes a conversation that we have every couple of weeks. How did you get on with that? Oh, we should have talked about that, but I got busy with my normal work. So I guess some guidance and some skills in those areas of saying how do we get around these issues and how do we engage others. Once you get innovative people in the room, they're willing to collaborate, and we don't see enough of that in the business. We're all too worried about IP issues, everything else, whereas there's a lot of places where we could share resources and collaborate without impinging on each other's commercial models. So I suppose a way to be able to build that structure. Everybody sort of thinks of it as a product, I believe, but it's also about process. And when I say process, starting with our internal process. I think you were already preaching to the converted. I was already looking for the avenues of you actually need that innovation champion within the companies or the businesses. So when I saw it, wow, this is it. You can get really busy working in your business rather than looking outside the bubble. So we're aware of all the technology, but nowhere near as much as we should. There's plenty of room, there's plenty of scope, let's just say that.